The study of information communication technology has become a necessity for every child in the world, with the world fast becoming a global village. Unfortunately for children in many parts of Ghana, the study of ICT remains one of pure theory, with the computer interfaces drawn on chalkboards, making the study of the subject difficult. For children in Peki, in the Volta region, and in Kunya, in the Oti region, and some 6 other areas across the country, however, the study of ICT has taken a new shape with the introduction of the Yamarasa model of ICT education. The Yamarasa Model Lab 7 facility, established in Nkunya in the Biakoye district of the Oti region, is well equipped with a 50-seater computer lab to provide free ICT literacy as well as a conference room for teacher training and workshops. The facility also has a makerspace specially designed by TechAid, a technology company, to help prepare the students for the 21st century skills in the fields of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. It includes a 3D printer, augmented virtual reality system, Arduino, Legos, and other robotic equipments.
I'm learning about immigrants arrive at Ellis Island.
The labs have computers with over 30 pieces of educational softwares to address the curriculum requirements of primary through junior high school levels of education. An Asanka device at the facility provides the educational content over Wi-Fi for the center over a distance of half a football field around the facility.
Now, these are going to help the students and prepare them for the future. The future of jobs are changing, the kind of job we're doing are changing, and technology is literally taking over most of the jobs. So having their basics and fundamentals being built, they're going to be ready for the future.
Kafui Prebi, CEO of TechAid, who are partners with the Friends of Yamarasa, says the makerspace and the labs will touch the lives of over 100,000 children.
In this facility, we have installed 2 ICT labs. We call it Edu labs because the computers are low powered. And also we have here in this room a makerspace which is made up of a 3D printer, AR, VR system, some Legos, some Arduino kits that the kids are learning how to program and also to learn how to control and learn AI systems, VR systems, and so on and so forth. We also have a conference room here as part of the Yamarasa Model Lab 7 package. The whole facility, as you see here, is powered by solar. We are trying to make it sustainable so that kids within the environment of at least about 10 kilometers radius could have access to the facility. At any time they come, there should be power enough for them to have their classes. Classes will run late into the evenings based on the agreements we've had with the Ghana Education Service. They're expected to run the facility. So they have a center manager, 2 of them, who are full-time staff of GES to make sure that the facility is run. We are looking at touching the lives of over 100,000 children within the labs in the country. And so this being 50% of the target 8 labs by the end of 2020, in the next 3 years we would have 16 labs. Our target is to be able to impact education, impact the lives of children, working with Helping Africa Foundation, the Friends of Yamarasa, with our project management partners as implementers, working together as a team to be able to impact the lives of the children using technology.
Headmaster of Nkunya Ahenkro Basic School, upon Daniel Newell, says ICT education will shift from the theory-based learning to a practical-based method.
The facility is going to have a positive impact in the lives of the children because it is going to make learning of ICT. We are going to shift from the theory way of learning into a practical way of learning where the children can manipulate the gadgets. And so it is going to be part of them, how they'll be doing or how they'll be using the machines to be used for it. And I think with the Asanka, which is also coming, all subject areas are loaded in the facility. And so not ICT alone, but it is going to have a positive impact in the whole subject areas they study.
Some pupils from the Biakoye district shared their experience thus far and expectations of the lab with Citi News.
And we are doing traffic lights. First of all, you bring your items, your components, you bring your breadboard, then you bring your jumper cables, then you bring your LED, then you bring your Arduino board, also known as the microcontroller or the motherboard. Then you go to your laptop, then you research for Arduino board on the laptop, then you press on it, then Then we are using CC Plus language to do our traffic lights.
Okay, when we are in school, we used to learn about mouse skills and creating of folders, but we never get to do the practicals. So I think getting the computers to do the practicals can help us to do our work. So sometimes we can learn how to do, we learn the theory, but when we are given the computer, we are not able to do it because we did not get access to the computer. But now, getting a computer laboratory to do the practicals, I know will help us to pass our BC.